Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to discuss the characteristics of DC generator. Actually, whenever you are going to use the DC generator, you must know the characteristic. You must know the characteristic means you must know the behavior of particular generator, how it behaves. Okay, so we must know it. So I am going to discuss the characteristics of DC generator. There are three important characteristics we know. First one is known as the open circuit characteristic. This is also known as no load characteristics or magnetizing characteristics. The second one is called as load characteristic, and you can divide the load characteristic into two parts. One is called as external characteristic, that is the curve between terminal voltage V versus load current IL. And third is the internal characteristic. It is the curve between EMF generated EA versus the armature current IA. So these are the three characteristics we will discuss for all types of generator. Okay, so first one I am going to discuss, that is the separately excited generator, and I am going to discuss the no load characteristic or known as magnetizing characteristics. Okay, so this is the no load generator, sorry, separately excited generator. This is the armature, clear here, and this is the field winding. It is separately excited, clear, and I'm not going to connect the load. Load is not there. It is open circuit characteristics, clear, and we are going to draw the characteristics between field current IF on the x-axis versus generated voltage EA. Clear, at constant speed. We are keeping the speed is constant. So how to perform this experiment? Let us take a separately excited generator, field winding. This is the F1 connected to DC supply and F2 connected with a negative supply. And if you want, you can connect the resistance here to adjust the field current. And if you want, you can connect the ammeter, right, plus minus. This will measure the field current IF. So if you are going to do the experiment, plus will be connected with the ammeter, that is PMMC type of ammeter, permanent magnet moving coil ammeter, clear. Negative will be connected with the rheostat, second of rheostat connected to F1, and F2 will be connected with the negative supply, clear. And here this is the generated voltage EA and VT will be same, because EA and VT will be same because लोड है ही नहीं है तो कोई ड्रॉप नहीं होने वाला. तो यहाँ आप चाहो तो अमीटर लगा दो, वोल्ट मीटर लगा दिया तो it will measure the EA or V, it is same, clear. Now what we will do, with the help of first we will connect the prime mover here. Okay, that is the prime mover, we are connected coupled with the generator. Prime mover, with the help of prime mover we will run it. So we will start the prime mover, adjust the speed to rated speed. यहाँ अगर 1500 RPM लिखा है rated speed, so we will adjust the rated speed. Okay, and keep it always constant. Clear? Now first of all, we will keep this in maximum position. Resistance अगर maximum है तो field current क्या होगा? Minimum. Okay, पहले switch 0 है, field current 0 है. अगर field current 0 है, switch is open, तो voltage कितना induce होगा? Let us say this, maybe like this. Okay, yeah, 0, it depends. Okay, now we will close this, decrease this resistance. When you decrease this resistance, field current will increase, so flux will increase, generated voltage increase, and this will follow this characteristic. Like this. Okay, and it will go up to this voltage. So this is the characteristic we are getting. So for just we will decrease this resistance, clear, keep the speed constant, note down IF and EA, and note down it, and this is the characteristic that is called as magnetizing characteristic or no load characteristics. Okay, EA versus field current, right? This is the characteristic we have. Second characteristic we are going to discuss, that is called as load characteristics. I am going to discuss. So because of this characteristic, okay, field current versus EA, this is the magnetizing characteristic. Second characteristic we are going to discuss, that is called as load characteristic or external and internal characteristic for separately excited generator. Okay, हाँ एक चीज और मैं बता दूं आपको, दिस जो मैग्नेटाइजिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है ना, इट इज सेम फॉर ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ जनरेटर, क्योंकि आपको फील्ड करंट को वेरी करना है विदाउट चेंजिंग द लोड नहीं चेंज करना, तो फील्ड करंट को आपको सेपरेटली एक्साइट करना ही पड़ेगा. तो याद रखना, जब भी आपको ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक आती है मैग्नेटाइजिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, इट विल बी सेम फॉर ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ जनरेटर, चाहे वो सेपरेटली एक्साइटेड हो, चाहे शंट, सीरीज और कंपाउंड, क्योंकि फील्ड वाइंडिंग को आपको सेपरेटली एक्साइट करना ही पड़ेगा. Okay, now this is the external characteristic, external internal characteristic for separately excited generator, right? So separately excited generator ये है. Okay, so okay, now here I am connecting a meter. This will measure the field current. It is not required, but okay, and this is the resistance we are connecting to adjust the field current. So first of all, here it is a prime mover. We have to run this generator at a constant speed. So prime mover is there, it will run at constant speed. Clear? Field current है, resistance है, we will adjust the resistance, and when you adjust the resistance, field current will change and we will apply the rated voltage. Okay, now so this is IL versus VT, terminal voltage. We are यहाँ एक वोल्ट मीटर लगा देते हैं, that will measure the VT, और यहाँ आप अगर अमीटर लगा लोगे, it will measure the IL. So in case of separately excited generator, IL equal to IA होता है, सेम रहेगा, IL equal to IA. So first of all, with the help of prime mover, we will adjust the speed. With the help of this resistance, we will adjust the field current till this voltmeter will give the rated voltage. This is the rated voltage, that is 230, we can say, at no load. Now close the switch. This switch is closed. Close करेंगे तो load will be connected and increase the load separately. जैसे आप increase करेंगे तो IL will increase, IL बढ़ेगा तो VT will decrease and you will get this characteristic. This is called as VT versus IL characteristic, called as external characteristic. क्योंकि both quantities VT and IL, both are external quantities are there. You can measure with the help of voltmeter and ammeter. That's why it is called as external characteristic. Now we know EA equal to क्या होता है? EA equal to क्या होता है? VT plus IARA plus IARA. VT current ऐसा flow हो रहा है ना, current always flows from higher to lower, so EA is more, so EA equal to क्या होगा? VT plus this drop IARA. तो अगर इसमें IA, you know IA और you know RA is known. IARA अगर यहाँ ऐड करते जाओ, like this, so when you add it, you will get another characteristic called as this characteristic. You will get, this is called as EA versus IA or IL, called as internal characteristics. So please be careful about it. This is external and internal characteristics we have. Okay. Sorry, sir. I have discussed this for okay, this is for correct है, this is for external separately excited generator, right? Okay, so this is the characteristic we will get. that is external, and this is internal characteristic, right? This is for separately excited generator. Okay, now the next characteristic I am going to discuss for series generator. And this drop जो दिख रहा है ना, ये this drop, ये क्या है? IARA drop, ohmic drop, IARA drop. Okay, so you will get it. I'm rubbing it. Next characteristic I am going to discuss, load characteristic for series generator. Series generator. This is the series generator. This is RA. This is EA. Clear? This is series generator. Here we are connecting load. This switch is open. This is a RSC, series field winding resistance. This is RA, right? This is A1, A2, F1, F2. If you connect the ammeter here, so this will measure the IF equal to IL equal to IA. तीनों सेम सीरीज में रहेंगे, right? And I'm going to draw the characteristic IL equal to IA equal to VT. कैसे आएगा VT? अगर I'm not going to connect at no load. First IL is 0. IL is 0. IL is 0 मतलब switch is open. So IL is 0 means IF is 0 मतलब IA is 0. So field current अगर 0 है तो generated voltage क्या हो जाएगा? 0. and यहाँ पर हम क्या लगा रहे हैं? Prime mover. Here prime mover is connected, right? So when this voltage यहाँ I am connecting the voltmeter. This will measure the VT. Right? VT. Now if IL is 0, IA 0, IF is 0, so flux will be 0, but due to when you run the prime mover at the rated speed, residual magnetism is there, and because of residual magnetism voltage will be induced here. That is the no load, at no load. Now as you close the switch, and when you close the switch and when you increase the load, so IL will increase, so IF will also be increased. IL and IF both will increase, और field current बढ़ेगा तो क्या होगा? Flux will increase, and this will add the residual magnetism. This characteristic you will get like this. Clear? So same characteristic you will get here also. This is VT versus IL characteristic called as external characteristic. और अगर आप यहाँ पर हर जगह IARA ऐड कर दें, एवरीवेयर IARA ऐड करते जाएं, लाइक दिस. IARA ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? ये इक्वल टू क्या होगा? ये इक्वल टू VT प्लस IL RA प्लस RSC. IL or IA both are same in case of series generator. You will get EA. So this characteristic you will get like this. This characteristic ये ड्रॉप है, ये कौन सा ड्रॉप है? IL या IA RA plus RSC. This is the drop. So if you add VT plus this, you will get EA. So this is EA versus IA. It is called as internal characteristic. It is called as internal characteristics, right? So this is external characteristic. This is internal characteristic. You will get. इसमें एक और ऐड कर दो IA, that is armature reaction drop. So एक और characteristic आएगी like this. ऐसा इसको बोलते हैं मैग्नेटाइजिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. EA वर्सेस IF. इसको बोलते हैं क्या? आर्मेचर रिएक्शन ड्रॉप ऐड कर दिया तो इंटरनल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक यू विल गेट. ओके, सो यू विल गेट लाइक दिस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फॉर सीरीज जनरेटर. In case of series generator, because of this characteristic, it can't be used. Series generator can't be used for lighting purpose. No load पे generated voltage कम रहेगा, full load पे generated voltage ज़्यादा रहेगा. So this voltage is rising in nature. So that's why that is the reason it can't be used for lighting purpose. Okay, it can be used for booster, as a booster only, not for lighting purpose. Next characteristic I am going to discuss, that is the load characteristic for shunt generator. So let us say this is the shunt generator I am going to discuss. That is A1, A2, RA, this is EA, clear? This switch was open. Here we have connected the voltmeter, plus minus, and if you want you can connect the ammeter. It will measure IL plus minus, right? Okay, and you can connect the field winding here. You can connect the rheostat to adjust it, clear? Or if you connect the voltmeter, this is plus ammeter, sorry, it will measure the IF. So you can measure the IL, you can measure IF, you can measure VT, clear? And this is the prime mover. So what we will do first, this we will keep the switch open, clear? अगर open है, so what is the value of IL? 0, clear? Okay, IL is 0. But with the help of rheostat, we will run the prime mover at a rated speed, that is a 1500 rpm or whatever they are rated speed, right? And with the help of rheostat we will adjust it. And कब तक adjust करेंगे? जब तक ये नो लोड पे आपका वोल्टेज रेटेड वोल्टेज ना दे दे. रेटेड वोल्टेज मान लो 230 लिखा है, so 230. Okay, VT. Okay, so rated voltage दिया at no load. Clear? Note down IF, IL, IF और IL मालूम मतलब IA मिल जाएगा आपको. You know IA. Clear? And just close the switch. पहले रीडिंग पे बिना विदाउट लोड ये रीडिंग ले ली, उसके बाद we will close the switch and increase the load slowly. इंक्रीज कहाँ तक जाएंगे आप? फुल लोड तक या रेटेड लोड तक. तो जैसे ही लोड बढ़ाएंगे IL will increase. IF constant है तो IA will increase, right? And you can note down this reading, you will get like this. Okay, we will increase the load, VT will decrease to full load, and then it will turn like that. That is IL versus VT, you will get VT versus IL, you will get external characteristic. Clear? Now in this external characteristic, if you add IARA drop, this is IARA drop. You know IA, you know RA. So if you add it, you will get this characteristic. Clear? You will get it. So this characteristic is known as EA equal to what? EA equal to what? VT plus IA RA. So this is called as EA versus IA characteristic, called as internal characteristic. So you will get external and internal characteristic. These are known as load characteristics. So you can get it. So you will get the idea how what will happen if you change the load. If load बढ़ेगा तो characteristic कैसे आएगा? यहाँ तक full load आ जाएगा, उसके बाद और बढ़ाओगे तो वापस पलट जाएगा. It will not burn the DC generator. It will reduce it. ज़्यादा हो जाने के बाद, है ना? So that's why it is called a self-protecting. DC shunt generator is also known as self-protecting generator. So I had discussed the external and internal characteristic and magnetizing characteristic. Magnetizing characteristic will be same for all types of generator, right? So I am going to stop here only. Clear? And in the next lecture I will discuss the numerical based on this generator. So I'm stopping here only. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.